it's fixed. That's it. It's all back together. It sounds so much better with the exhaust fixed. It runs so much better. It's just like driving a completely different vehicle. So anyway, I had to get it out this weekend and get the tanks dumped and fresh water all refilled. And then I took advantage of that, and that's the time to do some extra cleaning, and because then I can refill my tanks again, or refill the fresh water tank again before I leave. So that's the time that I'm going to be a little bit wasteful, or I want to use lots of water. So it's all fixed. It sounds so much better. Actually, come out here and stayed at the campground last night. I needed to get away from I just needed to get out. I needed to get away from the garage. So the trouble is, when you go and you hook up somewhere, it's funny how fast you can get used to, like, having full electricity again. And I don't even, you just adjust to it. But, you know, I was out on the road for, 4 months straight, and I'm fine with my solar system. I was never plugged in. It's just weird adjusting to this setup or adjusting to that setup. It's just weird unplugging after. I'm like, I wonder if my solar still works. Anyway, yeah, it works fine. Bella's happy to be back out. Fortunately, I got bombarded by work. I have to get back down to the garage, and I have computers to fix for this week, and grass needs mowed down there, and I still want to change the oil and do a couple more things to the RV. But so anyway, it's nice to be up and running again, and I can have the RV on the ready. So an evening or this coming up weekend, it's ready to roll again. So it'll be done. Bella, hi Bella. Hi Bella. Hi Bella. Hi Bella. Say hi to everybody. Hey, come here, come here, come here, come here. Say hi. Say hi. Hi everybody. Alright, so we're gonna roll, I guess. It was a short-lived vacation weekend. But I gotta get back to work. I gotta stockpile. Here's the mission. I got about 3 months to stockpile some cash. Maybe 4 months at the most, if I'm going to be able to run away from the Northeast for the winter again. So I'm going to take advantage of it and do some things here in the Northeast, but it comes late October, it gets into November, that's kind of starting to push things. It'll be getting down to decision time if I can pull this off again. Run away to the Southwest, or even the South, for the winter again. That's what I'm shooting for. So I'm gonna work, pick up side jobs, my regular jobs, computer jobs, where I can get my hands on, and see if we can pull this off again and run away for the winter. So, all right, we're gonna get out of here.